You need to hear this if you're a PC builder. DeepCool just got slapped with US sanctions. DeepCool, the Beijing-based company known for cases, coolers, and more, is accused of selling banned items to Russia. Over $1 million worth, allegedly supporting the war effort against Ukraine. What does this mean for you? Well, you can still find DeepCool products on Amazon and Newegg, for now. But once stock runs out, restocks are uncertain. And here's the kicker. Support for existing products could be in jeopardy. Imagine your AIO cooler fails, and you can't get a replacement. Frustrating, right? So maybe hit pause on that DeepCool purchase until things clear up. This is huge for budget builders and PC flippers. What do you think? Is this a setback? Who's your new go-to for budget PC parts? Drop a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.